I think I have another really good low market cap gem for you. It's a blockchain game launchpad as well as an NFT launchpad. Let's take a look at Seedify. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel. From the real degen projects to blue chips to the low market cap gems like the one we're going to cover today that could possibly do a 25 to 50x in a bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, the website we're going to be on is Seedify.fund. This project was around last bull market and it did really well. They've had quite a success with some of these games. The NFT Launchpad is new to me, and but they have had staking and farming for quite a while. I used to stake and farm the SFUND token when it was on PancakeSwap. They now have their own staking and farming options right on their website here. We'll take a look at those in a few minutes. First, let's go over the actual project itself. It says become an early investor in the top blockchain games, NFTs, and metaverses. And then they show, the upcoming IGOs, which are the games, and the upcoming INOs, which are the NFT projects. And then if you go down a little further, it kind of shows you what you can do. Purchase SFUND tokens. SFUND is Seedify's token that enables its holders to participate in the IGOs, INOs, stake and farm for passive income. Stake or farm your SFUND. Add SFUND to one of our staking or farming pools and earn passive income. Complete a KYC. Simple process to ensure participation in the IGOs, not necessary for INOs. So I guess we can participate in the NFT ones, but just not the IGOs. And it says now you can purchase the tokens and NFTs of the best blockchain games. I think that's what it's supposed to say. It says OS, but it's supposed to be of the best blockchain games, I believe. And their advisors. There's a couple big ones on here. Alex Becker, he's been a huge influencer for the last couple of years, especially in crypto. And Journey Crypto, Tony, I've been watching that guy since he started. And he's one of the advisors on the project too. So a couple of trusted influencers, in my opinion. They've been around for a while and they seem to know what they're talking about. Now let's take a look at the launchpad, the IGO launchpad. They just list a bunch of projects, and then you have to have a certain amount staked to get into the project. Then you can get a certain amount of the tokens that coincide with the project itself. Go to the NFT launchpad. It's going to be a similar idea. These are the ones that are coming soon, and you can do the same type of thing. We're going to look at staking and farming here. There's a staking pool where you could, the longer you stake, the higher APY rate you get. 7 days is 5%, 14 days I think is 11, 30 is 25, and 60 days 55% APY. What I'm going to do, I believe, I'm going to do the farm, which you're going to make an LP pair with SFUND token and BNB. Before we do that, let's take a look at the price of the token. And the tokenomics, right now it's hanging at 85 cents. If we look at the lifetime of the token, it got all the way up to, let's see what the highest it got was, $16.79. The all-time low was 29 cents. Obviously, the price of the token can go lower, but we don't know when, the market's going to bottom. Has it bottomed yet? Nobody knows for sure. But at 85 cents, I think that's a pretty good buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I'm going to go ahead and pair some of this with BNB. I'm in a lot of projects. Projects that I think are low market cap gems. I'm throwing a few dollars here, a few dollars there into them. Not a ton, but I'm staking. So every project that I've put on this channel, pretty much, there's a way to stake it to earn more of that token. And then, it's passive income for the future. If this token, if we buy 20 of them at 85 cents and it goes back up to $16, that's the 20x. I'm going to do the math on that real quick. So if it goes, we'll say $16, we buy it at 85 cents. 85. That's an 18.82x. So, you're almost 20x in your money. The next bull run, could it go higher than $16? It's definitely possible. Could it get to $16? Possibly, probably it will. So that's showing that, almost 20x. And usually with low market cap gems, I'm saying 25 to 50. Yeah, it's definitely possible it can get up to 25x. And then to add to that, we are farming the token too. So we're going to earn some more of the same token, in passive income as we're, farming. So it's just going to kind of compound itself as we're going. Because you can't pick the bottom perfectly. Nobody can. Nobody will be able to pick it perfectly. So we just got to say, are we close to the bottom? I think we're close. Yeah, for sure. Is it possible it goes lower? It's definitely possible it goes lower. So, and then tokenomics on the token, if we take a look down here, the circulating supply right now is 44.484 million. The total supply that can be put into circulation is 100 million. And the total market cap is 37.972 million currently. So we're going to need the token address, so I'm going to copy it here. We're going to make our LP for the farming. So let's go back to Seedify, and it's got tons of utility. It's got a gaming launchpad, it's got an NFT launchpad. It's got staking and farming. The token's been around since the last bull run. It should be around. Definitely should be around for the next bull run, whenever that is to happen. Probably 2024 to 2025. So we need to go get some LP. So let's connect our wallet here to the Seedify site. I changed this camera around to put in the bottom right hand corner, and I don't think I like it. I think I like it better on the bottom left. I'm not sure. Leave a comment and let me know if you can see better. I don't think you can. It seems like the last two videos that I've been doing, everything's been on the right side. And it seems like the other videos I was doing, everything was on the left side. I don't know if that's just a coincidence or what, but just let me know in the comments if it's better or worse or whatever. It looks like they have staking on Ethereum as well. We're going to be farming though. Staking is going to be really easy. You're literally picking a time amount and you're just staking your tokens, and that's it. You're approving the contract and staking your tokens. We're going to farm. So we're going to go down here to farm. Of course, it's not low. It's loading. Let's refresh it here. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go down here and we're going to hit View Pool. We're going to click on that. It's going to take us over to Pancake Swap. We're going to add liquidity. First, I have to swap for tokens. So I have $14 in BUSD. I'm going to swap that for SFUND tokens because I copied the address from CoinGecko, and now I'm going to put it down there, and I'm going to swap for, it's going to be 17, looks like 17.21 SFUND tokens. We want to change the slippage. It's at 11%. Let's go down to 0.5 and see if that works, if the liquidity is high or not. Lots of liquidity it looks like, so I'm going to go ahead and confirm that, and I'm going to get 17.21 SFUND tokens. That could be almost, what would that be, almost $200 if it goes back to $16. 17 times 16, yeah, $272 if it goes back up to all-time highs. Definitely possible. So we're gonna go back to liquidity, and we're gonna, let's do it easily. Let's go here to view pool again, and let's add liquidity, and it gives us our tokens that we're going to use. It's gonna be half BNB and half SFUND. We're gonna use all of our SFUND, and we're gonna use $14 in BNB. We're gonna go ahead and enable SFUND. Gonna be probably a couple approvals here. Probably won't have to enable BNB because I've probably done that multiple times. And we're going to go ahead and supply liquidity. Hit confirm supply and confirm. And and we'll see our tokens here in just a second. Transaction receipt. Okay, and yes, there they are. $29.27 in SFUND BNB LP. I might put a little bit more in here later, but I was showing this for this video. We're going to go back to the website. We're at the farm. Now we're going to approve the LP and confirm here. I hope this helps going through all the transactions. I know this would have helped me when I was first starting. That's why I go through all these with you. I hope it helps. Processing success. All right, now we're going to stake. Hit stake. We're going to do our maximum amount, which is 0.8786. Confirm. Confirm the transaction in our wallet. Loading. That should pop up, and then we'll see the tokens here in a second. Farming completed. Your LP tokens have been farmed. Check your transaction here. We're going to hit done. And it shows our LP, your stake, our pool share, amount of participants. That's it. Okay, it already shows we earned a little bit of SFUND. This project I've been a fan of since the last bull run. You know, I think it's got a really good team. Definitely got a really good use case. You know, the market cap is super low. Could it go lower? Yeah. Could the farming APR make up for the lowered price? You know, maybe not. But I'm willing to take a chance with a few dollars to do a 25x. That'd be amazing. And then plus your rewards, those would 25x as well. Please leave in the comments what what low market cap gem projects you're looking at. I'll definitely take a look at them and possibly do a video on them. Make sure you subscribe if you hadn't already. I appreciate all the subscribers. We're getting almost up to 900 subscribers, which is amazing. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.